Alright, so I will show you two methods to get this effect. Let's start with the first one. Let's zoom it out a little bit. Click over here and hit Ctrl D to duplicate this object, and then hit Ctrl Shift M on your keyboard, and then see over there upper right corner and click on this. Let's put this maybe -8 and hit apply button. Here we are. We get the some effect like this. Alright, so let's put it here. Let's compare it with the second method. Duplicate it first, and as we can see, if we click an object in Inkscape, it will show up arrow handle like this. But if we click again, it will change. This is a rotate handle. But what is this for? Let's find out by clicking on it and hold your mouse and drag like this. See, we can get the some effect like before, right? The big question is it really editable? Let's find out. For this method, let's change this something like this, and for this one, let's change it to see. So, which method are your favorite and easier for you? Let me know in the comment. Before I close this video, I will show you that I am using this version of Inkscape. It's a portable version on Windows machine, but I believe this method should work on any version of Inkscape.